Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th mathematics chapter number 11 trigonometry most important fill in the blanks question. Okay, and we will see the answer also. So this video is specially designed for the Andhra and Telangana State Board. Okay, so let's see this here. So you can see the first to the second one question you can easily see here. Okay, so then after you can see here third to sixth one till 9. Is it clear here? Till 9 it is a visible. Okay, so then after 9 to 13 you can see it is also visible here. Okay, then you can see 14 to 19 one here, right? Then 20 to 26. Okay, 27 to 31 you can see here also. 31 to 35 you can easily see here. Nothing in this one. This is a very easy chapter. Alright, so then after here it is a answer sheet, and in this answer sheet it's also clear. I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt here in this answer sheet. So if it is clear for you, then we will meet another video. Jai Hind.